धर्मविज्ञानवैराग्यपरमेश्वर्यशालिनः आनन्दतीर्थभगवत्पादान् वन्दे निरन्तरं। व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये शुद्ध्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः। निर्दोषपूर्णगुणः चिडजडभिन्नरूपः श्रुत्या यतस्तद अधिगतोऽसि ततस्त्वनामं सत्श्रीकराख्य हरिनामकव्यूहरूप वासिष्ठकृष्णा मम देहि करावलम्बम्। एवं व्यासनामनिर्वचनं निगद्य इदानीं गुणपूर्ण जीवभिन्न नामशून्य श्रीकर हरिरूपयुक्तस्य विष्णोर्माहात्म्यं दर्शयन् आह निर्दोषेति. Like this, after having explained the reasons for the name Vyasa, now it is explained that Sri Hari has all auspicious attributes and he has no iota of defects. All Shabdas state only about him. He has no Prakritic names and are Aprakrit only. He is the bestower of wealth to all, and such Vishnu's Mahimas are narrated in this mantra. Hey Nirdosha Purnagunaha, O Hari, you are without any defects and you possess all the auspicious qualities in full and unlimited. Hey Jida, hey Chita, Jada Binna Rupaha, O Hari, you are quite different and distinct from all animate and inanimate objects. Yataha Sutyatu Adigato Asi, O Hari, by the authoritative Shrutis, by your devotees you will be reached. Hey Anatman, O Hari, you have the name as A. Hey Sat, Sri Karakyaha, O Hari, you make good souls very wealthy. Hey Harinamaka, O Hari, you take away all the portions of all the yagas, and so you are called by the name Hari. Hey Vyuharupa, O Hari, you have many rupas like array of armies. Vasishtha Krishna Mamadehi Karavalambam. Nirdosha Purnaguna. Under Brahma Sutras, the first Adhyaya is called as the Samanvaya Adhyaya, where it is shown that all Shabdas denote Sri Hari in the primary sense. It consists of 135 sutras, where it is established that Vishnu is Ananta Kalyana Guna Paripurna because he is the creator etc. of the Jagat unlike others. Vishnuhu Ananta Kalyana Guna Paripurnaha Jagat Janmadi Kartutvat Vitirekena Devadattavat. Shabdas are classified as to start with Shabdaha, Varnatmaka and Dvanyatmaka. Under Varnatmaka, Anyatra Prasiddha, Ubhayatra Prasiddha, Anyatraiva Prasiddha, Tatraiva Prasiddha. Shabdas which have popularity in others, says Indra, Chandra and so on, comes under Anyatra Prasiddha. Shabdas which have popularity in Paramatma as well as in others, Bhuma, Akasha etc. comes under Ubhayatra Prasiddha, Varnatmaka Shabdas. Shabdas which have popularity in others only, example Avyakta etc. comes under Anyatraiva Prasiddha. Shabdas which have popularity only in God like Narayana, Vamana, Vishnu etc. comes under Tatraiva Prasiddha. All these Shabdas are equated to Sri Hari in the primary sense, and that too under the process of Mahayoga. Therefore it is proved that Paramatma has infinite auspicious attributes. In the second Adhyaya by name Avirodha Adhyaya, there are 159 sutras, and in them it is proved that there is no contradiction to the definition given to Hari. In the second sutra as Om Janmadasya Yataha Om Chita Jadabhinna Rupaha, Paramatma is different and distinct from all Jadas and animate objects. There cannot be identity between Jiva and Paramatma because the very definition of them is like the one stated below. Srimad Acharya has quoted a splendid authority of the Maha Vishnu Purana in Gita Tatparya under 220. Alpashaktihi Asarvagnyam Paratantram Apurnata Upajivakatvam Jivatvam Ishatvam Tat Viparyaya Swabhavikam Tayo Yetatna Anyata Syat Katanchana Vadanti Shashvatau Eto Atayeva Mahajanaha. Iti Mahavishnu Purane. Very limited capacity not omnipotent, dependency, imperfect, being helped or aided by others are equal to Jiva, which means they have the qualities of Jiva. The opposite of these are found in Ishvara. These are the very nature of Jiva, and Ishvara are always permanent in them. So Paramatma and Jiva are always totally distinct and different. Then Paramatma being distinct from Jada flows automatically. Anaman na vidyate nama yashyasa tasya sambuddhihi. Hari has no name and so he is called as Anama. This is because Ananta Vedeshu Ananta Namatvat Durgeya Namaha Tasmat Anamam iti Uktam. Vedas are infinite and in them Hari has infinite names. Therefore he is called so because his names cannot be measured or counted. Anaman can also be taken as under A iti nama yasyasa anamaha. He is called by the Shabda A. The Shruti states A iti Brahma iti Shrute. So Hari is called as Anama. Akaro Vasudevastu Dakarastu Pitamaha iti Abhidanat. So A denotes Paramatma Vasudeva by two Shabda. Vedishcha Sarve Ahameva Vedya is indicated. He Sat Srikarakyah Satam Sajjananam Shriyam Karoti iti. Sat Srikaraha Lakshmipati. For the sattvic souls he gives the greatest and most valuable wealth, only moksha. Hence it is said Aditya Chandravamapi Chakrashankau Shanka Prasunakyanidhi Dadan Chintya Karabhyam Vasutarpayana Swakasta Lakshmi Garuda Samstaha iti. Hence that Lakshmipati is the one who mounts on the divine bird Garuda. He is the bestower of all the wealth and he should be meditated upon. He Harinamaka Hari Sarva Yajna Bhagan Harati iti. Paramatma is called as Hari because he takes away all the shades of the yajnas. Aham hi sarva yajnanam bhokta cha prabhureva cha natu mam abhijananti tatvenata chavantite. Sri Krishna states that he is the person who enjoys and eats all in the yajnas. He is the master of all the yajnas. Krishna is the main deity and all others are only servants. Whoever understands like this attains moksha. For others they slip from that eternal joyful path. Bhaktanam sarva papani harati. Paramatma is called as Hari because he destroys all the sins of the devotees. Mahasarovara Asta Nakragrasta Gajendra Mochakaha Haririti Nama Yasyasa Harinamakaha. In the great ocean, crocodile caught hold of the king of elephants. The agonies and miseries of elephant king were destroyed by him, and so he is called as Hari. The same is said in Srimad Bhagavatam. Tatrapi Jagne Bhagavan Harinyam Harimedasa Harirityahuте Yena Gajendro Mochito Grahat. Paramatma is called as Hari because he destroyed the agonies of Gajendra and released him from the clutches of the crocodile. Harinamakaha Haririti Nama Eshamte Harinamanaha Vayu Shakra Surya Chandra Shukratesham Kam Sukam Yena Saha. Vayu, Shiva, Surya, Chandra, Indra are all called as Hari. For all of them happiness is brought by Paramatma and so he is called as Harinamakaha. It is said Hari Indro, Hari Banu, Hari Somo, Hari Yamaha, Hari Vishnu, Hari Marut, Hari Simho, Hari Arbakaha, Hari Vaji, Hari Kapihi, Hari Amsho, Hari Shukraha, Hari Sarpo, Swarnavarno Harismaret iti Abhidanat. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.